So what I have to do is see if we can. So you turn it around, and I'm going to move it forward. This guy has to line up as exactly as possible to this. This
That
thing
one
will
has
go
to go
there.
there, okay.
Yeah. And the rest of it, the level is basically, it should.
I will do maybe.
And I'll move it forward and then just line it up, see if we can.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
This is not difficult to do, you just need to hold it in position as I move it forward. And then see if how far off we are, and then I can move this thing.
Wait. I have to go at least 3 inches in.
And that's fine. I'm saying, what about the center spline? Is
Trying to see that center, but yeah, see, it's close, but this thing is coming in the way.
Well, it has to move to the left here. And so, okay, that's good for now. And hope. Thanks.
You don't need me anymore.
Not right now.